This video is going to review the use of edit mode to customize and organize your desktop in Launchpad. After you've been using Launchpad for a period of time, you may want to use edit mode in order to create folders to customize, organize your Launchpad. The way to get into edit mode is if in the upper right hand corner you'll see the little tablet and pencil, and when you click on it, it enters edit mode. And you know you're in edit mode because you see the darker bar with some choices across the top. And also when I mouse over my apps now, I have some choices. They get shadows and they have some choices pop up. Some of them have the choice where I can delete the app. Other ones may be locked where they say I can't delete the app because it's been assigned. In order to do any of the things I'm going to show you now, you will need to be in edit mode. So you'll need to click on the tablet and the pencil to get into this mode to make these changes happen. The first thing you can do in edit mode is you can create new folders. So I can click on New Folder. Here I can give my folder a name, so I'm going to call it Curriculum Resources. And then you can give your folder a color. I'm going to give it a bright pink color so I can find it and click Save. And notice now I have a new folder called Curriculum Resources. Now, because I'm in edit mode, I can move my apps around. So let's say I want to take Adventures to Fitness and I want to put it in the Curriculum Resources folder. I move it, and notice once I get it on top of the folder, it gets smaller. When I let go of it there, I have now put that app inside the folder. So you can organize your apps, and you can see I have a number of folders I've used to organize my apps. So that's one thing you can do in edit mode. Another thing you can do while you're in edit mode is you can delete apps. So say I don't want this Adapted Ed Mind app anymore. When I mouse over it, one of my choices is the red X to delete. And if I click on it, notice the app went away, that the app has now been deleted. I can do the same thing at the folder level. I can get on top of a folder and I can click to delete, and now my folder's gone. But notice Adventures to Fitness, the app that was inside the folder, is not gone. It's just been sent back out into the main area. So you can use edit mode to add folders, add apps, and delete apps. You see you can add your apps from here too also instead of the app library. You can also use edit mode to change the shape of your icons, round and rectangular. You can change the size. You can change the size of your font. You can change the theme color, which is the bar at the top. And go back to the same color as using. You can also change your wallpaper, and you have a number of wallpaper styles here to choose from your background. So you can change your background style so you have another picture. Change back to something plain for us to use while we're looking at this in the video. Those are the tools you have available mainly in edit mode. Another new tool we've added is the ability to auto-launch apps. So when you log on to Launchpad in the morning, you may want to log on and then have certain apps just open for you so you don't have to come in and click them if you know you're going to use them every day. So as a teacher, one of those apps may be my gradebook app. So if I'm in edit mode and I mouse over the gradebook app, the Focus app, if I go to the little auto launch rocket and click on it, it tells me this application has been added for auto launch. You can choose up to 5 apps to auto launch. Now, I'm going to close out of edit mode, and then I'm going to log out of Launchpad. I'm going to sign out. Now, if I go back to Launchpad again, and I'm going to sign in again, close out these other windows so you can see what happens. I'm going to sign into Launchpad again. Now notice, because I auto-launched Gradebook, when I log into Launchpad, notice on a separate tab, the Gradebook also opened. So you can use this to auto-launch different apps that you want to have open for you when you log on each day to your Launchpad account. And that is how you use edit mode to customize and organize your Launchpad desktop.